What's going on? It's your boy Santana with ElevatedWithin.com. I'm coming to you with another Shopify video, and today we're going to talk about which Shopify plan you should actually go ahead and choose. So let's go ahead and jump straight into my money making machine so I can break down the plans and show you guys how to get started. See you guys inside. Right, so here we are inside of my money making machine. So what you're going to get ready to learn today is what Shopify plan you should actually choose. So a very common question that is asked is, what plan is right for me? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to break down each individual plan in a way that's easy to consume, easy to understand, so you understand if it's right for your business or in the point that you're at currently with Shopify. So let's go ahead and go directly to Shopify's website. If not, just go ahead and follow along. I'm going to go to the actual pricing tab, and from inside the actual pricing tab, you're going to see all of Shopify's plans and then a few others here at the bottom. Now, this is going to be the comparison between each plans, but like I said, you're not going to get the same in detail. Although you see the actual breakdown, you may not know if it's right for you or not. So I'm going to give you a little bit more context. And so the actual first plan that's on Shopify is called Shopify Lite. And the Lite plan is perfect for anyone that already has a website, whether it be a blog or a podcast, any kind of informational site, and you're ready to begin selling products on that site. So the Shopify Lite plan gives you the opportunity to add products to those sites, be able to accept payments, and then also be able to sell on Facebook and communicate with your customers via Facebook. So it's really designed for someone who already has a site. So keep that in mind. Okay, the next plan that we're going to go ahead and jump into is the basic Shopify plan. Now, the basic Shopify plan is like the go-getter. It's like the starting plan. Most Shopify stores, when you get out of your 14-day free trial, you jump into the basic Shopify, especially if you're just getting started. Once you get a feel for Shopify, and you get a feel for understanding how to generate sales, how to go ahead and increase your store, then you instantly want to go ahead and jump onto the Shopify plan. And I'm going to go into detail into both in just a moment, but the huge thing between the basic Shopify plan and just the Shopify plan is not only is it the credit card rates, but the most important aspect for me personally is going to be the professional reports, okay, because it simply allows you to be able to understand in detail who your customers are and how you can always continue to improve your business and improve your customers' experience. So that's very important. But like I said, when you're just getting started, the basic Shopify plan is great. It gives you everything you actually need to get started. And once you start seeing some traction, then you can kind of go ahead and bump up to the next level. Okay, so the advanced Shopify plan is great for, companies that would rather have their shipping handled by like third parties. It's nice for companies that have high revenues, averaging about anywhere between $10K a month, because you get a small price difference in the kind of the fees that you're actually going to be paying. But the beauty about this actual plan is that not only do you get everything in the actual Shopify plan, which I said the actual professional report is so crucial, you get the advanced report builder as well. And I think that once you start scaling your actual store, you're going to realize that the reports are really going to allow you to know how to actually scale. So they become so important to allow you to test, to do all different projects. It is just going to be the way, like, as your business grows, you want to start moving with your actual plans. You want to kind of, like I said, start with the basic if you're just getting started. If you already have a site and you don't want to move that site over, go ahead and use the Shopify Lite plan. But like I said, if you're a beginner, this is the route that you can take. The way Shopify really just sets it up, it allows you to just, if you can get started with the Shopify plan right out of the gate, I would definitely start with the Shopify plan right out of the gate. But you don't need to. You can keep with the basic plan, and you really have everything that you actually need to get started to go out there and start generating your actual first sales. So, really go to the actual Shopify site, jump onto the pricing page, if you weren't following along already, and really take a look at this and just see how important it is for you to be able to kind of look at the basic Shopify plan and see that it gives you everything that you need. And not only that, but if you haven't taken my free Shopify course already, inside that course, I show you how to get your store started, how to find products, how to go out there and begin to actually market to generate some sales. And if you follow the course and you do what you need to do, then you could see your first sale before your 14-day free trial is up. So it's just so many approaches to it, but it's a very common question that's currently being asked always. And literally, I just wanted to break it down as easy as possible for you so you know exactly which Shopify plan to select. So that's all I have for you guys for today. So go ahead and go down to the description. If you haven't already taken the actual free Shopify course, go ahead and do so. Otherwise, jump straight to my site. Go ahead and check out all the other additional free resources that I have to help you grow your Shopify stores. I'll see you guys in the next video.